In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change your Instagram username. So your username is basically your Instagram handle. It's the one that appears in your feed when you make comments and replies and you tag people. It's basically how people know you on Instagram. Okay. So to do that, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and that should open your profile page, and you will see your username at the top there. Okay. So this is the username and this is the Instagram name. Okay. So tap on edit profile, and that should open up the profile editor, and you should see a section for username just below the name. So this is where you can change your username. So I'm just gonna make a random change here. So you can tap on that. That brings up the keyboard. You can delete the username or you can add to the username that's already there. And keep in mind that usernames can only contain letters, numbers, underscores, and full stops. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and make a little change here. I'm gonna put an underscore there like that. Okay, and then it's gonna check if it's available. It tells me it's not available because someone else is already using it. And this is the thing with usernames. Usernames are sensitive because they are your unique identifiers and you can only have one. So I'm gonna put the number 12 just after my username like that. And also keep in mind that if you change your Instagram username, you have up to 14 days to revert back to your old username, after which you'll not be able to do that. Okay, it might be allocated to someone else or someone else might be allowed to use it after 14 days. So take care of that. Anyway, once you change your username, just tap on the check mark in the top right corner, and that's going to be your new username. Simple as that. So you can see that's my new username. You can see it also appears in the top left corner of my profile page. That's what's going to appear in comments when I make comments, and that is basically how to change your username. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you found this useful, and also if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.